Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to add a member in a Slack workspace in 2026. Many people get confused when inviting new members, and sometimes the invite option doesn't appear or the user doesn't receive the email. First, let's understand the basics. Only workspace owners or admins can add new members. If you don't see the invite option, you may not have the required permission. Step 1, open your Slack workspace. Click on the workspace name at the top left. From the menu, select Invite People to Workspace. Step 2, choose how you want to invite. You can invite using an email address or create an invite link. Email invites are more secure, especially for company teams. Step 3, set the correct role. Choose whether the new member will be a full member, guest, or admin. Assigning the right role avoids access issues later. Step 4, send the invite and wait. The invited person must accept the invitation from their email. Sometimes the email goes to spam, so ask them to check there. If the member still can't join, check workspace limits. Free plans have member and feature restrictions. Upgrading may be required for larger teams. Finally, confirm the member has joined. You can see all members under People and User Groups. This ensures the invite worked properly. So yeah, adding members in Slack is simple when you have the right permissions and method. Follow these steps and your team will join without issues. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.